Sometimes you just need to chill. Think about your life and process everything that's been going on in the past weeks. All the things you've done, all the lessons you've learned, all the experiences you've experienced. Sometimes it is completely fine just doing nothing. Taking a moment to either be outside, be in your room, and think about how life is going. Have you really asked yourself how life is going? We tend to just say, "Oh, it's good, it's great, it's okay, I'm fine." But have we really thought about how life is going? What are the ups that have been happening in our life? What are the downs? What are the things that are okay that we could be doing better at, that we need to stop doing? What are those things? That's how we should answer that question from now on. Just think, when anyone asks you, "How's it going? How's it been? What are you up to?" Think about what you can actually do to make it go better. I feel like you should really think about this the next time you don't really have anything to do. You don't know what you can do. You're not sure of what the best thing to do is. Well, a great thing that you can do anytime is just think about your life. It might be boring and it might suck to just sit there and not really do anything, but it's probably something we need to do. After all the screens that we've been watching, after all the video games we might have played, all the junk food, all the things that just give us pleasure, we probably need to just detox and give ourselves something that's a little boring to do. And just in general, it's fine being bored in life, because not only are you able to think about your life and think of anything else you can do, but when you do think of anything else you can do, it's a lot more enjoyable and you're more likely to do it, because anything besides being bored is going to be more exciting. So if you're not sure what to do, you want to make more progress in your life, I feel like something that I've been doing recently a lot is just going outside and thinking about my life, thinking about the things I'm doing, and really trying to question what I'm struggling with, what I can be doing better on. And by the way, if you don't know who I am, my name is Timothy, and I just like sharing things that I've learned and realized recently, which hopefully you can realize too and think about in your life. So when you go out through your day-to-day life, you can think about something that I've said and maybe apply it and get better. And I wish I had someone talking to me like this 1 or 2 years ago, even a few months ago, when I was quite lost in life, doing a bunch of bad habits, not knowing what to do, being bored all the time. And if you like the environment I'm in, like my voice a bit, consider subscribing, because I post videos like these every single day to try to help you get better as a person. The thing I've been trying to get better at, when anybody asks me how's it going, instead of just saying good, I like to say great, and I like to give a sentence on why I'm doing great. Oh, I'm great because I got a good grade in this class. Oh, I'm great because I just did all my homework and I have nothing else to do. Oh, I'm great because I've been going outside. Really think about the question, how's it going? And I've asked myself this a few times, and I'm going to be honest, it hasn't been that good. I've kind of made myself in this trap where I pretend to be productive. I try to do some work, but it's honestly just as bad as doing some bad habits, because the real work and the things I wish I could have done for so long is actually just going outside and talking to people. I've been so scared of people and any wrong scenario that might happen from it that I just completely avoided myself from any opportunity like that. For the longest time, I didn't really have anyone I could really call a friend. I didn't feel social at all in my life. I never went to some party. I never went to some thing after school. I was never on a sports team. But when I just started to think about how I could make my life better, and realizing that, okay, I'm good at this, but my social life is terrible. So if I put any energy into doing something that I'm not good at, I'm just naturally gonna get better with everything else in my life. So when I started going on walks more, going outside, saying hi to people I see, talking to more people at school, joining sports teams, after doing that for the past year almost, I've felt so much progress in my life. And I was able to do all of those things from just doing nothing. Well, technically not doing nothing, but just sitting there and thinking about how I could make my life better. What can I do to live a better life? So I really hope you can think about this, and the next time someone asks you, how is it going? Or ask yourself, how are you doing? Think about what you can actually do to respond with, I feel amazing right now. This and this and this is happening in my life. Think about what can you do so when anybody asks you, how is it going? You can say, I feel amazing because this is happening in my life. I'm going to this event on Friday. I don't have school on this day, so I'm going to spend more time being outside. I'm going to do this. I recently started working out more. Like, fill up your life with cool, fun things to do. And something I've been trying to do more is just going out more, being outside in cool places like this. And I just want to share this with you because I was so bored in my life. I felt like I had nothing to do. But sometimes it's good to have nothing to do because I had nothing to do, I'm able to be here right now. So I really hope you can think about this if you want to be around people who are more like you, so you can ask each other how's it going and level up your social skills a bit. Join the like-minded club in the description because there's hundreds of people in there like us, and I'm in there too. It's a pretty fun place and cool place to be. Learn, grow, develop yourself more into the people that we want to become. I know we're better than everyone else, especially if you're watching this. And yeah, I hope you found this video cool, and do the algorithm stuff to share this around, like, comment, share, subscribe, so more people can see this video and get cooler lives, I guess. Because wouldn't it just be cool if we all had cool lives and cool friends to be around? So yeah, I'll see you later, bro. I hope you're doing well and you're doing great, man. Peace. I'll see you later.
Bye bye. Bye bye.